Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Tutorial on redirection append in command line. Redirection is a powerful feature in command line interfaces that allows you to control where the output of a command goes. By default, the output of a command is displayed on the screen, standard output. However, you can redirect this output to a file or another command. The append redirection operator is used to add output to the end of an existing file rather than overwriting it. Redirection operators redirects output to a file, overwriting the file if it exists. Redirects output to a file, appending to the end of the file if it exists. Basic syntax. Where command is the command whose output you want to redirect. Filename is the file to which you want to append the output. Example, appending output to a file. Step 1, create a sample file. Let's start by creating a simple text file that we will append to later. This command creates a file called sample.txt and writes the text. This is the first line into it. Step 2, append more lines to the file. Now, let's append some more lines to this file using the operator. After running these commands, the contents of sample.txt will be. Step 3, verify the contents of the file. You can check the contents of the file to confirm that the lines have been appended correctly. This command will display. More advanced example, redirecting command output. You can also append the output of other commands to a file. For instance, let's append the output of the date and woami commands to our sample.txt. After executing these commands, if you check the contents of sample.txt again, you'll see. Important notes. File creation: if the file specified in the append redirection does not exist, it will be created automatically. Permissions: ensure you have the necessary permissions to write to the file. Standard error: if you also want to redirect standard error, stder, along with standard output, stout, you can do so using. This redirects both stout and stder to the same file. Conclusion: appending output to files using redirection is a fundamental skill in command line usage. It allows you to log information, keep records, and manage outputs effectively without losing existing data. This tutorial covered the basics of using the operator to append data, along with practical examples for better understanding.